I don't know if you guys ever paid attention, but when you turn your phone sideways, landscape mode on Android, I don't know if this works with iPhones, but on Android, when you're watching a live stream, you can see the live chat box. So you have to turn your phone in rotation. Let me see. Shout out to Ticket. Okay, so Ticket going live, right? So I turned my phone into rotation mode. Let me see. Come on. Well, it was working, but you can see the chat. Hold on, let me see something. Hit the X button. All right, let me do that. Okay, so that's how you look on YouTube, right? That's how you look on YouTube, right? And then you put it in the rotation mode like this. Okay, that part worked. Okay, so let me do it like this. Minimize it. Hit the live chat. Here go the live chat. You rotate it. Boom, there we go. Now you can see the live chat. This wasn't there at first. I don't know if it's YouTube Premium feature or just a live chat feature, but you can do it. So you can watch the live stream and live chat people. And when you want to chat people, you tap and then you put in something. Chat publicly. Alright? So that's how you use live chat on YouTube, on the Android app. I think it's the YouTube Premium feature. I'm not sure regular YouTube. Yeah, I'm giving y'all a tip and trick, ladies and gentlemen. So you put it back in portrait mode. That's what he gonna look like because he in portrait mode. Minimize that. You gonna get the mini chat. You hit the X. And then you hit the live chat so you can scroll. See that? So you can scroll. You can see all the other. So you can do that and then hit the live chat. Live chat will pop up. You put your phone in rotation mode, landscape mode, and you can get. Shout out to Ticket TV though. I'm getting you some airtime on my YouTube channel, bro. But yeah, that's how you do that. Real talk. I'm giving y'all some tips and tricks, ladies and gentlemen. So that's what it is. All right, and then hit that. And then you got the mini. That's why I like Android. All right, let me know if y'all noticed that though. Let me know if y'all noticed that.